We're in LaPorte, Texas, picking up this power only, going to Port Allen, Louisiana. Like a 4.5 hour ride. The power only load's looking terrible, man. I still haven't got a word back on when they're gonna be done with my trailer, but it ain't looking too good. Gotta make sure all the tires good, make sure the light's good, license plate at the top. We could put it in the wind, my friend. Truck looking clean too. All the lights work on the trailer. What's up, YouTube fam? We back with another legendary video. We out here getting some diesel. I still had a little under a half from reloading up when I went to Alabama. But I know in Louisiana the diesel is kind of high. I can make it there and probably halfway back, but I'd rather just stop right now and grab some. Should take about $150, $200 to fill up one tank. I ended up deadheading back from the Alabama load because the load I had, the lady said probably wouldn't be ready till Tuesday or Wednesday. I'd rather not wait 2 days for a couple $100 load. I think it was paying $1,000 or $900 to come back to Channelview. So I just decided to come back. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to deadhead with this one too. I was looking all yesterday, I couldn't find a load. They had one going to, I think it was North to South Carolina, but by the time I called, they had already booked it. So hopefully I can find something around 8 o'clock this morning on a load board, get popping. But if not, I bring it back to the house. Truck's still looking clean. God, that truck is smashed. We arrived at the delivery. I'm about to go ride around and let them inspect it. And then I got a reload. We lucked up and got a reload going to Midland. So we're gonna pick that up, go back to the house, do an oil change, then shoot right back out. Told me park it wherever I can find a spot. So most likely I'm gonna pick the road less traveled. Psych, I'm a real driver, so I'll leave that space for them rookies. We about to put it in the wind, my friend. Whee! At Lou's on about to get an oil change. I'm being lazy today, bro. I could have changed it all myself. Change. I stopped and got some breather filters. The shop who did the turbo for me said I should change it every year. Last month made a year since I got the turbo put in, so when I got some more filters. This is the new one, and this is the old one. It's not that much of a difference, but you can tell it's dirty. But yeah, we about to put this on, and we'll be good to go. We're back at the truck, about to make sure all the lights good. I did the pre-trip on the engine and the tires already. I forgot to turn on all my lights and my flashers, so I'm gonna make sure all these lights good before I put it in the wind, my friend. Got one light out. I'll stop and grab another one once we drop this. This should be good. Alright, this is a trailer I'm supposed to be picking up, but it's in terrible shape. Light missing. Another light missing. Got stuff just hanging on it. I didn't even check the tires yet. But my main concern right now is the fact that it doesn't have a license plate. He told me they had a plate on it, but there's no license plate, so I'm about to give him a call. Yeah, chemicals just sitting up here. I'm about to sit that on the ground or something. We got these hoses just sitting freely. So yeah, I'm about to give him a call and see exactly what he need me to do, because I don't like this load at all. We all hooked up, the lights work. Some of them, but he sent me a plate. He want me to just print it out, stick it on back of here. Yeah, this is some bullshit. He fixed all the lights, so I'm about to go print out the license plate and stick it on the back. Everything good though. Put the plate on the back right now. About to put it in the wind, my friend.
Alright, we'll put it right here. Is that alright?
Yeah, that's
You'll
good.
be there by dark, won't you?
Yeah, you can put it right here.
Right here?
Yeah, right there be better. Appreciate it. Just like that, we made it to this last delivery. I try to back it from the street. He gonna tell me to pull in, but there's no room for me to turn around. So I'm about to back up into the street and hopefully this be smooth. It looked like only one guy here to direct traffic, so. Hopefully we can get out in. I'm 1 hour and 4 minutes from my house, so this little cheap load was perfect just to get me home. And just like that, YouTube fam, we done for the week. We did a total of 4 power only loads, and we grossed $5,950. I don't remember how much I spent on diesel. I know the other day I put $750 or $760, and then I put like another $6 something, so roughly like $1,300 on diesel. I didn't work Tuesday, and yeah, we still grossed $5,950 off 4 power only load. That first load I did on the last video was $2,000. The first load on this video was $950. The second one was $2,000, and this one I just dropped was $1,000. So it wasn't bad. It's just there's not many power only loads out there. But you know, through the storm, it's always gonna be a little light, so we're gonna continue to make it do what it do. I don't have a good update on my trailer. All I know is they're waiting for Trail King to get them parts and pricing on parts. So it may be another 3 or 4 weeks before I can get my trailer done. So I'm just gonna see how it plan out, man. I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing. And y'all gonna watch me on my journey. I had it in the wind, my friend. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button. Be back with another one.